We know our clients want to find privileged data faster and with less headache. Using the domain widget in Ricoh eDiscovery on Demand, you can quickly cull data based on law firm domains and find attorney names with Boolean search syntax. That includes either searching as an exact phrase or utilizing proximity searches to find their name in the document set. You can then bulk tag these items as potentially privileged. Once you have the documents tagged, a colleague can log in, look up this tag, and review the documents using the review function. All is one seamless process. They can confirm the privilege tag and add privilege reasons, or they can remove the privilege tag if they decide that the document is not privileged after all. Once finished, you can quickly create the privlog and exclude these documents from review, or even redact information for privilege if needed. All this in one platform, enabling users to get documents sorted for privilege quickly and produce needed documents in the best format.